Okay, I wanted you to try to understand a couple of terms. One is gravity, and gravity is a force that pulls objects toward the center of the earth. The direction of gravity is toward the exact center of the earth. And to be able to define that direction, what we do is put a weight on a string and drop it down. And what you see is that the weight falls toward the center of the earth, and when it stops swinging, I know exactly where the center of the earth is. It's exactly down that line right there, going from my hand down to the weight. The center of the earth's down there, and that's the way gravity's pulling. Zenith is a point in the sky that's in the exact opposite direction of gravity that's overhead. So if I wanted to find my local zenith, what I'd do is I'd drop a weight down on a string, and I would know that the zenith is that point right there. It's a point directly overhead in the exact opposite direction from the pull of gravity. So if I know where the zenith is, which is directly overhead, and I know where the North Pole is and the South Pole is, I can define my local meridian. And it just so happens that this house is built exactly north-south. And if you look at the lines in the wood down here, this is a north-south line right here. That way's north, this way's south. Here's the pull of gravity, there's zenith. So a line that goes right along here across the highest point in the sky directly overhead, from north to the highest point in the sky to south, is my local meridian. And my local meridian, likewise, is my local longitude. And when the sun rises in the morning, it rises in the east. And as long as the sun is to the east of the meridian, that's called before the meridian, because it hadn't gotten there yet, or ante, which is Latin, or AM. Once the sun is on the meridian, that's called noon, and then once the sun passes the local meridian, that's called PM. So the meridian is determined by determining the direction of gravity, going the exact opposite way directly overhead, and then drawing a line from the North Pole to the South Pole, from north to south, through the zenith, and that's the local meridian. And then everything to this side of it, when the sun's over there, is AM, everything on this side is PM, and this is my local longitude.